Sunglasses are one of our most important daily accessories, yet most of us are unknowingly cutting their lifespan in half. Today, we're diving into the common mistakes you're probably making. Even the best sunglasses can be ruined by bad habits. From improper storage to risky cleaning methods, these small actions lead to big damage over time. One of the biggest silent killers of eyewear is heat. Many people think the car dashboard is the perfect place to leave their shades, but it's actually a recipe for disaster. Leaving them in hot cars can warp frames and damage specialized lens coatings. The intense heat can even cause the layers of polarized lenses to separate. Then there's the quick clean. We've all done it, using our shirt to wipe off a smudge. But did you know this is actually one of the fastest ways to scratch your lenses? Standard clothing fibers can trap tiny dust and grit particles that act like sandpaper on your lenses. Over time, these microscopic scratches blur your vision and ruin the optics. And tossing them around without a case? That's a fast track to damage. Your keys, coins, and other bag essentials will quickly win the battle against your frames. But don't worry, protecting your investment is actually quite simple. Here is the fix list you should follow every single day. First, store them in a hard case. A soft pouch is okay for light protection, but a hard case is the only thing that will prevent them from being crushed or bent. Second, avoid extreme heat. If you're not wearing them, keep them in a cool, shaded place. This preserves the structural integrity of both the frame and the lenses. Third, clean them only with a microfiber cloth and a dedicated lens cleaner. This gently removes oils and smudges without the risk of abrasion. Now, let's look at a few more mistakes that even seasoned sunglass wearers often make. These are the quick mentions you need to know. First on the list, wearing sunglasses indoors. Not only is it a social faux pas, but it can actually strain your eyes as they struggle to adjust to lower light levels. Next, choosing the wrong shape for your face. While this is mostly about style, the right fit ensures better coverage and less light leakage from the sides. And finally, ignoring prescription sunglasses. If you need vision correction, don't sacrifice your clarity for shade. Prescription sunglasses offer the best of both worlds. At the end of the day, sunglasses aren't just a fashion accessory or something to make you look cool. They are essential protection for your vision. So next time you pick a pair, ask, do they protect my eyes? Your vision is worth it. Treat it with respect by maintaining the right eyewear.